Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next content of the retirement of a partner. This is the very valuable contents because generally it creates the problem to the students. So try to understand the all these steps associated with the adjustments of capital account of the outgoing partners. I am giving you the 5 examples also to understand how to calculate the new capital of the partners because generally problems remains here to the calculations of the new capitals. So first, try to understand the steps related to the adjustments. First, all the student will calculate the capital of the all the partners after the all the adjustments and settle the outgoing partners account by considering the payment or to the loan account. So now this adjustment is only related with the remaining partners except then the retired partners account is totally closed. Then calculate the new capital. This is the second point is very valuable because it creates a problem. So I will tell you how to calculate the new capital in the different circumstances. So when the new capital is derived, you may have to compare the second point with the first point. We see the difference between the both. If the new capital is more, then the partners will bring the cash, uh, or you may say the adjustment will be done through the cash or to the current account. But if the new capital is less, then person will withdraw the money. So here the question is, how will you calculate the new capital in different circumstances? Now, the first is I am giving here the example number 1. If the adjustments of the capital is given on the basis of original value. So listen again. The here I have given the one example like X and Y and Z capitals 2 lakh, 3 lakh and 2 lakh. This is existing before the adjustment in the balance sheet, and the total of the all the three consists with 7 lakh. So when the condition exists with the adjustments of capital, if the X retires from the business and the capitals of the new firm will remain as before the retirement, means as before. Word is referring to the original value exists in the balance sheet. So exist in the balance sheet value is 7 lakh. So you have to take the new capital as 7 lakh and divide this into the new ratio for deriving the new capital means step number 2. So here I am discussing how to derive only the step number 2. Only then you can compare the step number 2 with the 1. So I think this is clear. When original value is given, so then go to the balance sheet and take the total of the capital of the partners listed there, and then that will be considered as the new capital and divide into the new ratio. And then the next step is referring the when the fixed new capital is given, when the automatically the fixed capital is given, this is to be considered as new capital and divided into the new ratio. Like the question is given XY, and after the adjustments their ratio is 1 lakh 40, their capital balance 1 lakh 40 and 60,000. So these balances are derived after the all the adjustments by making the capitals account. But when the adjustment is given, means the new capital is to be considered by the new partners, like the remaining partners after the retirement of Y, then X and Z decided to the 2 lakh 50,000. So this is the new capital and it will be divided into the new ratio for the X and Z. So the new capital is 2 lakh 50,000 in these conditions. Now I am moving to the third conditions like the calculating of the new capital with the help of the payment of the outgoing partners. Like the question is given here, the capital of X and Z after the all the adjustments, 1 lakh 40,000 and 60,000 as usual, and Y is leaving the organization and getting the retirement, and the Y dues are 90,000. So when the question is listed here, the amount adjustment is listed here, the amount is to pay to Y by the X and Z in the same manner. That means the in their proportions to the new profit sharing ratio. So listen again, Y is leaving business with the 90,000 and X and Z decided to paid to Y the amount in their profit sharing ratio. In this cases, the amount is paid to Y. So you may write down the payment to the Y's account is closed by making the payment, but the capital is needed for the x and z. How to calculate the new capitals? First of all, they will take their own capitals 1 lakh 40 and 60 and will add the requirement of the capitals for y 90,000. So the total capitals will be 2 lakh 90,000 will be considered as new capital and divided into the new ratio. Then compare the rest step. Means I am telling only the new capital how to derive. When it is derived, it will be compared with the old capitals. And then the adjustments entry will be passed. And then the conditions number 4 is referring the with the same example x and z having 1 lakh 40 and 60 and y is retiring. The amount of y again the 90,000. The amount of uh, y is to be paid by the x and z in the same manner the proportion of the new profit sharing ratio. But here I am adding the one more aspect related with the leave the balance of 15,000 in the bank. It means it is existing. After that the balance should remain in the new balance sheet 15,000. So how will you calculate now? You have to take the capital of x, y and z also, because the payment is moving to the y also. So that's why the amount is to be taken of the y, and the cash is needed 15,000, it is also be added. But when the cash balance is added 15,000, then old balance of the cash is to be deducted out of the old balance sheet. Then the result will come to 2,65,000 will be divided into the new ratio. If you are not considering the cash balance, new balance, so then the old balance will not be considered. Only when the new balance, new requirement of the balance is added, only then the old balance will be subtracted. So here the balance is needed 15,000 added to them. 90,000 has been taken because the payment is going to Y. So that's why it is also the requirement. So all the requirement is to be added here on to calculate the total amount of new capitals. And now the next one is the last example I am taking for the along with all these the any other liabilities, if it is also paid or any requirement of the, even then it will be added here. So like the same example is x and z 1 like 40 and 60, payables to y 90,000. The amount is to be paid to x in the same proportionate level. So again you may observe 1 lakh 40, 60 and 90 will be added as usual, and leaving the balance 15,000 is again added here. When it is added, the old balance is deducted. But the new condition is here. That means the bank account, then the bank loan is the with the 10,000 here. Means it is also the requirement to pay. So then again the 40,000 will also be added here to calculate the new capitals. So it means when the new cash balance is added, only then the old balance is deducted. Otherwise, if it is not taken in the place, so the old and new can be ignored. So all these items means calculate the new capitals, and then the new capitals will be divided in the new ratio. I have given you the 5 example only for to calculate the how to calculate the new capital, because it creates the problems to the students. So the first you have to calculate the old capital by making the capital accounts, and then existing capital you may say, and then this capitals will be compared with the new capital, and you have to mark up to the new capital. If the new capital is more, then the remaining partners will bring the cash, or the adjustments can be done through the current accounts. The entries are the two only for the adjustment, either may be used for the admission or the retirement, means cash account debit or the current account debit. To the partners name the person, suppose here I am saying the one partner is xyz or y is leaving. If any person is coming, the cash or the current account debited to the capital account of the partner who is bringing the cash. And the second is if it is withdrawn, the entry will be reversed, means the partner's name is debited to cash or current. These are the two adjusting entries only. Then the when you are entering to the capital, the capital will come to the show the balance to the new capitals, new balances. So I think it's clear, and make the practices. Thank you.